Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Desi Khaba. Today we are cooking up mutton karahi, originally known as Namkeen Gosht, which means salty meat. It's a traditional dish from Peshawar in Pakistan. The meat always comes out super soft and delicious. And the best thing about this recipe is that we are not going to be using a lot of spices. The goal is to get the flavor of the meat and to enhance it and to get the best results. There are many recipes out there to make this namkeen gosht at home. So I've taken the best strategies from all those recipes to come up with this process. For this recipe, you will need sheep meat. If you don't have sheep meat, we can use goat meat, tomatoes, green chilies, ghee, which is oil, and pink salt. I'm using 2 kgs of meat. For that, I need 8 tomatoes, 12 green chilies, half a cup ghee, and 1 teaspoon salt. We will wet brine the meat. For that, I'm using 10 cups of water and 5 tablespoons of salt. This helps to make the meat more flavorful, and also the texture becomes soft. It will not come out very salty, but it will have a deep flavor. And then so we'll wet brine it for 12 hours. Put it in the fridge. All right, after 12 hours we'll bring out the meat and discard all the salt water. In this recipe, I will be grilling the meat first and then putting it in the pot. If you don't want to grill, you can put the meat directly into the pot and then fry it till it's brown. Natural wood charcoal is preferred. For this recipe, you can use any kind of grill, and you can also use some wood chips if you like the more smoky flavor. I just use alcohol to light up my charcoal. Once the charcoal is lit like this, we can put in any grill. I'm using this cast iron grill, and I'm going to oil it up so that the meat does not stick. Then we will place the meat on the grill. Right now the ideal temperature of the grill is 300 degrees Fahrenheit, just 150 degrees centigrade. Now we're going to season the meat with pink salt. You can use regular salt if you don't have it, but pink salt is better in taste. It has more minerals, so I prefer it. For this specific recipe, it goes really well. So you can see the meat has this golden color now. Actually half done to 75% done. Now we can move this over to the pot. I prefer to use a clay pot. You can also use a cast iron. So after frying up the meat in the ghee oil, we're gonna add the tomatoes and the green chilies as well. So as you can see, the tomatoes are now cooking and becoming soft and dissolving with the water. So we will let this cook covered so that the meat becomes tender and fully cooked from inside. Alright, now you can see that the oil is separating from the water and the meat is 95% done now. We can also place the naan in the grill so that they get heat up together. So here we have the final product. This is ready. We can take it inside now. Super soft. Goat is fully cooked, juicy, and so let's taste it now. See how it is. Super, very nice, soft, and because you put it on the grill, it has a smoky flavor as well. And the best thing is there's not a lot of spice in it, and you can really taste the meat. Thank you so much for watching, and please do come back. And if you like to eat awesome food and like to cook some, please do consider subscribing. Thank you.